Hey everyone, welcome back to MTV, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the OnePlus Ace3 Pro, a recently launched flagship phone that's packed with impressive features. From the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor to the 6100 mAh Glacier battery with 100-watt super-fast charging and even a ceramic back, this phone has it all. I'm Mikey from MTV, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Now, let's get started with the unboxing and first impressions of the OnePlus Ace3 Pro. The unboxing experience is straightforward. The box isn't exactly environment friendly, but inside you'll find the white-colored phone, a 100-watt power adapter, a data cable, and a white protective case. The phone actually looks better in this case than it would in a transparent one. Design-wise, the OnePlus Ace3 Pro is available in white, gray, and green colors. This one is the white version. The back of the phone has a ceramic texture that gives it a premium feel, similar to what Oppo used in their flagship Find X5 Pro. The ceramic back features fine lines that run from top to bottom, improving the phone's grip and making fingerprints less visible, despite the glossy finish. This phone is slightly heavy due to its 6.78-inch screen, ceramic back panel, and large 6100 mAh battery, but it feels surprisingly light when held in one hand. It weighs 225 grams, with the ceramic back panel adding 13 grams more than a glass panel would. Given the specs, the weight is totally acceptable. It's 8.9 millimeters thick and has a hyperboloid screen, offering a great in-hand feel. If I had to choose, I'd definitely go with the ceramic back over glass. The OnePlus Ace3 Pro features a flagship display from BOE with a 1.5K resolution OLED screen that supports LTPO technology. The colors are vibrant, the viewing angles are excellent, and the brightness tops out at over 800 nits. Overall, the screen performance is at a flagship level, and the low-frequency eye care technology ensures your eyes stay protected. The main focus of the OnePlus Ace3 Pro is performance, delivering extremely powerful capabilities. It includes a top-level heat dissipation system and high-level optimization for maximum performance. According to the company's official advertising, the OnePlus Ace3 Pro is the first Android phone where you can play the heavy game Genshin Impact at 120 FPS. Previously, only some Apple iPhones could play Genshin Impact at 120 FPS, but even there, the frame rate wasn't stable. On the OnePlus Ace3 Pro, playing Genshin Impact at 60 FPS provides a stable frame rate and next-level performance. Let's test if the performance on this phone really lives up to the marketing hype. In the game at default high-quality resolution, 2113x1787. After playing for 30 minutes in the high-load Sumeru City, the average frame rate reaches up to 61.7 FPS. The graph shows stable frame rate with almost a straight line, and power consumption goes up to 4.546 watts. In a 25-degree room temperature, the phone reaches only up to 40 degrees Celsius, which is impressive during heavy gaming sessions. This indicates excellent heat dissipation performance. The game assistance offers 3 modes. First, fluency priority, performance priority. Second, image quality priority. Turning on fluency priority mode starts Genshin Impact directly in native 120 FPS mode. In this fluency performance mode, the graphic latency remains the same as in normal mode. This provides a very smooth performance, and after a 30-minute test, the average frame rate reaches up to 119 FPS in this heavy game, which is a first for an Android phone. In this mode, image quality is excellent, and the resolution is also at its highest. However, power consumption is higher, reaching up to 6.894 watts in this high-performance mode. But the good thing is that the phone's temperature only slightly increases to around 40.6 degrees Celsius, showing its good heat dissipation capacity. Now, let's test the second mode, which is the image quality mode. In this mode, the game resolution increases to 1080 by 23375 pixels, so you'll see slightly better and clearer pixels in the game. However, the number of frames is limited to up to 45 frames per second. In this custom mode, you can individually customize both the resolution and the number of frames. Let's set the highest resolution and frame rate and see the game performance. The average frame rate reaches up to 103, but there are some frame drops visible in the performance graph. likely due to the game running at 900 by 1979 resolution and 120 FPS. Without a cooling clip, the game runs smoothly between 90 to 120 FPS for about 20 minutes, showing smooth graphics overall. The battery life is another strong point. With a 6100 mAh capacity and a silicon carbon anode glacier battery, the phone only consumed 1% battery on standby for 8 hours. It used up 10% while playing Genshin Impact at 60 FPS for 30 minutes and 17% at 120 FPS. The battery easily lasts 2 days with moderate to heavy use, and the 100-watt charging gets it from 0 to 100% in just about 37 minutes. Finally, let's talk about the camera setup. The OnePlus Ace3 Pro comes with a triple rear camera setup, including a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. I'll be uploading a detailed camera review soon, so stay tuned for that. As for the price, the base variant starts at 3,199 Chinese yuan, which is approximately £350 in the UK or around $440 in the USA. In conclusion, the OnePlus Ace3 Pro offers top-notch performance, superb display quality, outstanding battery life, and a sleek design, though the camera is just average. What do you think about the OnePlus Ace3 Pro? Which feature stands out the most to you? And what price do you think it should be launched at in your country? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to MTV for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching, have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.